Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the data YouTube uses right now. Open Settings, go to History Controls, and pause both Watch and Search History. This prevents new signals from shaping recommendations. Once done, switch to Incognito or log out for sessions you don't want tracked, and make sure to clear any unwanted items in your history list. These steps cut new inputs quickly, so the algorithm has less to work with. This limits the rate at which similar videos reappear. Next, you remove the legacy signals that trained recommendations. Open History, delete individual watched videos that seeded unwanted topics, and clear search entries that led to them. Then, systematically mark videos as not interested and choose Don't Recommend Channel to directly tell YouTube which sources to ignore. Also inspect saved playlists and liked videos. Remove or privatize anything that still signals preferences. These finish by tightening controls and testing results. Turn off autoplay, review subscriptions, and unsubscribe from channels that keep feeding unwanted content, and adjust Manage Interests on your home feed. Remove or disconnect apps and browser extensions that may cross-feed data. If recommendations persist, clear browser cache and YouTube app storage, then sign out and test while signed in to a clean account. If that fails, recheck history settings and repeat deletions. This troubleshooting loop usually resolves residual recommendations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.